Hello everyone, I'm Thai in the United States. I have this curtain white and purple golden paddle. I have them for a year and they always hang in this room for the whole year. I would like to sell them. I sell for the whole set 6 pieces. Cost $45 plus shipping, depend on where you live in the United States. I would like to get new set. I still look what I'm gonna get, silk or sheer. I have one set, the other set from Wayfair, but I don't remember where I get these pineapple sets, Wayfair or eBay. The half chair that I have another set, I keep them because I really like them, so I still thinking about what kind of the fabric I would like to get for the new set. Anyway, if you're interested to purchase, please check on my eBay store and I am ready to ship. Thank you. Bye.